This model kit review is of the P-40B or C Warhawk, and it's a 1/72nd scale model by Trumpeter, and there are the dimensions. We've got 38 parts, some nice box art there. These are the Flying Tigers, and I guess you've got two different versions, Flying Tigers and then a British version. And let's see some details there. Let's have a look inside. This does not look like it has a lot of parts. Let's start off here with our fuselage, beautifully molded. Recessed panel lines, lots of surface detail. Same thing for the other side. We've got some detail even here on the inside of the cockpit on both sides. Here we have the cockpit floor and firewall, rear firewall, propeller. This is our nose with the guns. Looks like part of our spinner there, and there is the that's our instrument panel there, with seat and exhausts. That's very nicely molded. There's our tail wheel. We also have this part here. This is our air intake for underneath. Very nicely molded. Here we have our wheels. We even have some detail for the inside of the wheel well. And our rivet and panel lines, beautiful. Here's the underside, also just tremendous surface detail. And then our elevators there, main gear. There is the glass with our side glass as well as the main canopy and windshield. Our decals here. So like we said, we've got two different versions. One is for the British version there. Here are the Flying Tigers, and then I guess some common ones. I guess that's going to be another option. Let's have a look and see. Here are the instructions. There is the parts listing. We start off with the cockpit there, mount everything inside the fuselage, put the nose on, put our wings together, then our landing gear. Then we're going to mount the underside with the air intake, mount the wing on the fuselage, and put our wheel well covers on, mount the landing gear, put our propeller together, mount that, and then put on our canopy and glass. So let's have a look here at our colors. And this is our decal and paint guide. These are beautiful. This is almost like art. You could actually probably frame this. They're beautifully printed. So this is the Flying Tigers version with the colors needed there. And then here's another version here. Then the third version here is the British version of Royal Air Force. And that is just such a phenomenal little model.